Good afternoon, humans. I did not want to get out of my bed today.
There's a joy, dress more like a boy, and come back as a line, try a different lipstick.
And I'm going to pay for that now because I'm up. It's 1:45. I haven't ate anything. Now, I got up. I was awake. I was physically awake. I was sitting in my room reading on my tablet, and like I would finish a chapter and I'd be like, oh, just one more chapter and I'll get up. Just one more chapter and I'll get up. And now it's like almost 1. I'm hungry. I have to edit. I didn't feel like putting makeup on this morning, well, today, because I was like, you know what? It's almost 1. Just fuck it. Fuck it. If you're going anywhere, it's probably not going to be that important. It's probably going to be somewhere in town and not be that far. And now that I'm thinking, my mom still owes me ice cream for mowing the grass. And I would like to apologize now for the 5-minute ramble I went on. I can't even remember what I said. I was so tired last night. It's one of those things, do I even want to edit this? Possibly not. But I'm going to anyways. I got to clean out my emails. So I'm doing that now. Getting that all taken care of and just actually start my day. And I have no idea what my mom's talking about. Should probably go and figure it out. Late again, 6:15. There's a storm getting ready to start. I decided to do a time-lapse video on my GoPro. I don't know how long the battery will last. We'll see. But I'm watching Shark Week At least until Major Crimes and my other show comes on. But, like, I think they decided to use, like, was like, they are da-da-da, like, really deep tones and scary. I'm pretty sure they, that's what they pick for, these shows to scare you a lot. So, who knows? I've got to take my laundry out to the living room because I forgot, and you know, now it's really late and I need clothes washed for this week because my mini vacation is in 2 days, guys. I think I've said this, I'm going to be spending it up in Pittsburgh with my friend. It's going to be awesome. It's like a mini vacay. I think all but one day off I'm going to be up there. So we will see you guys will see all the adventures. I'm going to take my laptop and that's what I'm going to edit on, and I need to make sure I have before I go. What do I need to make sure I have on there? My intro for this year on my computer, released on my backup, so I can import it on there. And I need to take, I think, photos off. I'm gonna take photos off of it. And she's yelling at my dog. Oh my humans, it's after 11 o'clock. My hair is flat and feels wet, even though it's not, from sweat. And I've read some stories. I'm going to bed now. Just, yeah. Can't even, function anymore. And I really need to scrub my face because it feels nasty. Anywho, if you're new and you haven't already, hit subscribe down below and give today a thumbs up if you enjoyed today. I know I haven't talked that much. I disappeared in the living room. Monday shows. I got 2 work days. And then I'm off until next Tuesday. This is sad. I don't want to work, but I know I need to. Does it make sense? Okay. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I hope you guys had a lovely day, weekend, whatever. It's for me, it's the Monday. So yeah, whatever you did, I hope it was